Hi guys. Today we are going to discuss about a very trending topic in the share market today. Yes Bank share analysis. There's a lot of news going in for Yes Bank, like will it be a multi-bagger, what would be the target price, and all sorts of buzz in the market. I would like to collate a data analysis of the bank from where it was till where it is now. Please note that this video is made for educational purpose and no stocks mentioned should be bought without the advice from your financial advisor. Yes Bank is Indian private sector bank headquartered in Mumbai, India and was founded by Rana Kapoor and Ashok in 2004. It provides a wide range of banking and financial products for retail as well as corporate customers. On March 5th of 2020, in an attempt to avoid the collapse of the bank, RBI took control of it. So RBI basically reconstructed the board and named Prashant Kumar, the former Chief Financial Officer of SBI, as the new MD and CEO at S Bank. S-Bank also provides unified payment interface services for a major number of companies such as Airtel, Cleartrip, Redbus. In Jan 2020, it was responsible for handling 514 million UPI transactions out of the 1.31 billion made that month. S-Bank has also acquired 24% of stake in Dish TV India on May 30th, 2020. When you check the share price chart of S-Bank, it's very interesting. So in Jan 2016, when you see the price of S-Bank share was around 150 rupees. It went up till 300 in the year May 2017 and it went again up till 400 in the year of 2018. Then it had a downfall after September 2018 and then on March 2019 the bank started dramatically losing its share value and it went down up till the 52-week low, which is 5.65. The market capital of this bank is 31,000 crore, which is a huge number when we compare this with the similar price range share in the stock market. We'll just go through the history of the bank. So 2 years ago, S Bank was a banking hotspot. It held so much promise that many people thought it would go on to become one of the largest private sector banks in India. Investors loved the company, the customers were elated, and the man leading the bank, Rana Kapoor, could do no wrong. Until that, the RBI refused to let him continue as CEO. The company's stock price tumbled. Investors couldn't figure out why he was being ousted. And S Bank lost around 22,000 crores in a single day of trading. There were rumors that the company might have been under reporting bad loans. The skeletons were now tumbling, and there was a new CEO in town. But despite his most optimistic assessment, his bank seemed like it was designed to lose money. This was partly because almost all companies' loans went to large corporates, and the Indian corporate sector was in a spot of bother. As these companies began to default, it was drawing on S Bank that a significant chunk of money that they gave out as loans was unlikely to be paid back in full. This eroded investors' confidence further, and S Bank continued to take a beating in the market. Talk about the recovery process. So finally, S Bank had to be rescued. In March 2020, SBI and seven other banks took a combined 79% stake in S Bank. This sort of stabilized the situation. S Bank said that it has repaid around rupees 35,000 crore to the Reserve Bank of India, settling some of the dues it owned. And that's a lot of money for a company that was on verge of total collapse just a few months ago. Since starting as CEO, Kumar has made restoring the faith of S Bank's depository a priority. The bank suffered an outflow of 1.04 trillion rupees in 6 months through March, about half of its total deposit. We have been able to reduce our cost by around 21% on a year, and this transaction would continue in the remaining part of the year also, said Prashant Kumar, PK, MD and CEO of S Bank. They also also issued an FPO for rupees 15,000 crores to have the liquidity for operations. The FPO was priced as rupees 12 rupees in the open market. Now we will look at the latest positive news of S-Bank. So S-Bank has been the most sought after stock among Indians. It was searched more than 3x times than Microsoft. Another news that came, Cox and Kings promoter Peter remanded in ED custody for S-Bank money laundering case. And for the quarter end of September 2020, S-Bank has posted a net profit of rupees 1 billion. The IG plea, Supreme Court allows S-Bank to auction land. And again, S-Bank was included in the MSCI index. S-Bank also launches co-branded prepaid card with NeoCred for cashless payments. The CARE upgrades rating on various S-Bank instruments. And on last Friday, which is November 27th, 2020, S-Bank had the highest of the volumes it traded with 70%. Now, considering all these facts, I see the bank is very potential. And now you know why it is named as a multi-bagger. It's because of the huge difference between the 52-week high and low, and also considering the past excellent performance of the stock, which is now being valued as a penny stock in the market. I feel S-Bank has nothing more to lose, and S-Bank can be considered as the most promising stock with current pricing, considering the strong recovery process by RBI, and can reward long-term gains. I hope you guys enjoy the session. Thank you.